Today is disembarkation day. Hindi pa kami uwi.
Live your life within the
Food court, $62 lahat yan.
Until the morning. You never know when it is over.
Nice view of the Marina Bay Sands.
Meron silang river cruise dito. Paano kaya dito? Thank you for visiting Jurassic World Experience.
It's like literally a bed of bullets. Wow.
Our bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker.
Good morning, guys. So today is disembarkation day. So we're off to leave the ship. I'm just waiting for Paul to finish. Tapos bababa na kami to have breakfast. So since we had late dining, breakfast here in Disney Adventure is between 7:30 to 8 a.m. So kakain kami kung saan yung dinner last night. Pero hindi kami nag-dinner dun sa Enchanted Summer. So doon kami magbe-breakfast today. So hindi pa kami uwi. Mainly because ang flights kasi to Calgary is every other day tapos 7 a.m. So may schedule today ng flight to Calgary ng 7 a.m. Pero since hindi aabot, ang next flight na nun is Saturday. So we have to spend 2 more nights here in Singapore. We will be staying at the Fullerton Hotel. So doon kami nag-book para nasa within the Marina Bay area pa din kami, and then comfortable stay. So doon kami dediretso after this, mag-early check-in kami, and probably we're gonna explore. I don't know yet kasi may pasok na kami sa gabi. So yung leave ko is for the entire cruise lang after nun. Since tapos na yung cruise, mag-work na kami parehas sa gabi. So we're gonna go somewhere. I don't know yet. Pag-usapan namin mamaya ni Pag kami pupunta. Samahan nyo kami on this last, I would say, 36 hours here in Singapore and see kung ano yung mga pinagagawa namin dito. Okay? So if you guys are interested in our last full day here in Singapore, please keep on watching. Okay, breakfast done. Palabas na kami ng gangway. It's at deck 7. Thank you. Bye, Disney Adventure. We came from the Disney Adventure Cruise.
Oh, the cruise, huh? Yeah.
Yes.
Disney cruise, huh? Is it?
Yes.
Good.
Very good. Okay, room tour at the Fullerton Hotel. Room 606. Okay, so once you get in, CR muna. Ito yung CR. Bathroom. Okay, sa natin ilaw. Yan. They have a bathtub here. Sink. Hindi sila his and hers. Drinkable water. So, I think lahat ng hotel, mandate siguro to. Lahat drinkable water. Andiyan yung outlet. Uy, diptyque din sila. Diptyque din yung lotion at saka hand wash. Pero, hindi siya maliliit na lalagyan. Masang malaki. Ano to? Okay, ito yung mga amenities. Meron silang provided na vanity kit, shower cap, comb, toothbrush, sanitary bag, toothpaste. Ayan. May sariling shower. May upuan yung towel shower over here. CR is here. Oh, Toto din. Fairness. Japanese, din siya. Toto washlet. Closet. May plancha. Tsaka ironing board. And then, bathrobe. Slippers and stuff. Ayan. then they have this safe. May extrang unan sa taas. Ano meron dyan? Ito yung lalagyan ng luggage. They have, ano yung cable bag? Ano laman yan?
Extension.
Extension. Buksan mo si. May provided silang extension. Ano to, pang hilod? Pang kamot?
Pang shoot ng paa.
Pang shot ng pa. Ano yan?
Pang brush ng sapatos.
Oh, okay. We have sewing kit. Laundry and dry cleaning. And then may malaking TV over here. Uy! May plush sila. Oh, they have plush that they gave us. Ay! May bayad pala. Bring home sweet memories. Price at $25. This Fullerton Spa Bear is available for purchase. Kala ko naman bigay. Pa yan. May malaking table dito. And then they have for in-room dining. And then we got $100 dining credits daw, sabi. Na we can use. Phone is over here. Okay, wala namang something sa mga drawers. Walang laman ng drawers. Anong tawag sa ganito?
I forgot.
Basta yung sa may paanan na upuan yan. Tapos may lamesa. And then may nook dito. May minibar dito. That you can purchase. Scan to view the menu. Ayan. Ano to? This bottle has been sanitized for your use as an alternative to single-use plastic bottled water. Kung wala kang bottled water, kindly leave the bottle in the room before checkout. Should you wish to purchase, please contact Fullerton Express. Kung gusto mong bilhin, pwede siyang bilhin. May coffee machine dito. Puro TWG yung tea. Ayan. Ano to? Coffee pods. Baso. Tsaka wine glass. Kettle over here. And then I assume this is the ref. Yeah, may Evian water. Sparkling at still. Tapos may drinks over here. Moving on to this side. This is Epsi side. So we have the notepad and the ball pen. Ball pen nila dyan. Phone. Wala din. Wala din. Ayan, may chinelas. Big bed. It's a king size bed. And then here, may relo. And then yung may ilaw. Night, master, reading, bedside. And outlet over there. Ayan, silipin nyo na lang. Hindi namin alam kung paano siya buksan. Pero bintana lang siya. Walang view. Actually, I paid for a city view. Bakit ganito yung binigay? Pero yaman na. So, anong oras na ba? It's 10 a.m. We paid for a half-day extension para makapag-check-in kami ng maaga. We paid 179 Singaporean dollars total for a half-day. Kasi kung 3 o'clock pa, that's 5 hours from now. And we would like to rest at saka para makapag-work na. So, kaya in-avail na namin. Dapat lalabas na lang kami para gumala. Kasi ang init kasi. So, parang wala rin kami sa mood gumala. So, nag-avail na lang kami ng half-day para makapagpahinga ng early. And we can just stay here. Okay? Yun lang. Mag-settle lang kami and then I'll catch you guys later. Hi guys, it's many hours later. We're going out to go to a mall. Maghahanap kami ng nearest mall para kumain. Kasi it's past lunch na. Cute. Meron silang dito, si Robbie at saka si Lizzie. Welcome to the Fullerton Postmaster Bears. Be greeted by Robbie and Lizzie, our iconic Fullerton Postmaster Bears dressed in the Postmaster uniforms. Lizzie warms the heart with her sweet smile, while Robbie charms everyone with disarming grin and warm handshake. May mascot kaya sila neto? Cute. court. Kain muna kami. Ang oras. Ha? Yun yung sa'yo. Kasi gusto ko tuloy ko. Sige, ito na lang. Thank you! So, nandito kami sa food court ng Raffles City, guys. Ito kami kumain. We got, ano pa? Ito yung parang teppanyaki na area dito. Pero Pinoy yung Pinoy yung counter, Pinoy din yung nagluluto. So, dito kami. Bumili lang kami ng last minute pang pasalubong and then kakain and then babalik na sa hotel kasi yung papahinga pa at may work pa in a couple of hours. In order namin. Filet mignon set with chicken, with ice cream, $64. Not bad. Hintayin lang natin maluto. Ayan, serve na yung food. So this is fish, shrimp, tapos maraming egg, gulay, toge, soy butter chicken with black pepper sauce, and filet mignon. Yan. $62 lahat yan. Okay. With tubig. Okay, kain muna tayo. Kain muna kami. Sarap siya. Okay naman. Ang lasa niya. Not bad. Sulit. Puro mga high-end luxury brands pala yung nandito sa Raffles City. They have Chanel, they have Diptyque, they have Dior, they have Maison Francis, they have Creed, Guerlain, they have Prada, Longchamp is here, they have Gucci, Givenchy, Jo Malone, L'Occitane. Puro mga higher-end brands yung nandito. Anyway, nakabili na kami ng pampasalubong, kumain na, mabalik na sa hotel. Ayun lang, saglit lang, mabilis lang.
The next day.
Good morning, it's 7 a.m. in the morning, so we're off to have breakfast. Umidlip lang ako ng sandali after work. Tapos, bumangon na para mag-breakfast. And then after this, tutuloy na yung tulog namin. Kasi, mamaya-maya pa kaming hapon lalabas para mag-charge muna kasi since nag-work kami all night. So, see you at breakfast. First things first, they have cereal over here. May cornflakes, Milo, Fruit Loops, Frosties, and Cocoa Pops. We have all kinds of nuts and cheeses over here. Ito ata yung betone cheese and crackers. So, kung gusto nyo ng cheese platter, they have that. They have scrambled egg, bacon, vegetable stew with pork sausage. And then here, they have pork sausage. What's this one? Chicken sausage naman to. Sana may curry. This one is chicken supaw. Ano po to? What about this one? Oh, they have cabbage rolls. Oh, there's chicken curry. Napansin ko, lagi may chicken curry dito. May chicken curry sa mga buffet nila. I think it's a staple here in Singapore. Hindi pa ito may patatas. Chicken curry sa Disney Adventure, walang patatas. Nasi lemak rice. They have seafood pota. They have cucumber, hard-boiled egg. They have congee. Congee sila. Ito yung mga panghalo sa congee. And these are all the tinapay. They have croissants, chocolate, mini donuts, Danish. More pastries, muffins, chocolate, pandan, blueberry, and velvet cake. And they have the furikake suicide egg. Ano yan? Oh, they have Can you get an omelette as well? Can you get me one?
Sure. What do you
Just
want?
ham and
ham.
ham and tomato and cheese. Thank you. Okay. So this is what I got. Tapos nag-request ako ng omelette. Grabe yung nag-power nap ako ng 1.5 hours. Super, super sarap ng tulog ko. Ang sarap ng bed nila. It's like, yung yung bed ng Marina Bay Sands, tsaka netong Fullerton is parehas. It's like the most comfortable bed ever. I wonder kung anong brand ng mga hotel beds ng mga 5-star hotels. Kasi, grabe yung iba yung, ano siya, very comfortable. Hindi siya super lambot, hindi siya super firm. Very luxurious ng tulog. Anyway, walang tao for breakfast. Like, siguro mga 3 families lang kami dito right now. I don't know if it's still early or... Pero 7 na eh. 6 a.m. nagbubukas yung breakfast eh. So, I thought marami ng tao. Or maybe konti lang talaga yung naka-check-in. I don't know. Anyway, kain na kami. Oh, for dessert, they have Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt. And they have all types of granola, pumpkin seed, cranberry, peach and strawberry yogurt, watermelon, grapefruit, grapes. Ang bango ng pineapple. Melon. Yan. Then here they have all kinds of juices. I think pineapple, watermelon, and honey green. Mango, cranberry, and orange juice, and infused water. They have full fruits here. Kung gusto nyo ng buo. Ayun yun ng hati-hati. They have pear, kiwi, plum, rose apple. Ano yung rose apple? Oh my God! Ano to? Anong tawag dito? Anong tawag dito? Ano yung Tagalog na to? Makopa? This is makopa, di ba? Ano ba? This is makopa. Rose apple. Longan? Ano yung longan?
Longgan.
Longgan? Ano yun? Para siyang lansones. They have mandarin orange and they have banana. Okay, kuha lang ako ng fruits. Fruits time. Ang sarap talaga ng pineapple dito sa Singapore. Miss. So tapos kami mag-breakfast. Palabas kami ngayon to explore the area. Look at this. It's a jade water fountain. And this elegant water fountain attracts travelers of different backgrounds from every corner of the globe. Flowing water and circular jade-like coin structure symbolize wealth in Chinese feng shui, ensuring that the hotel continues to prosper for many years. Ito yung jade. Yeah. It's a water fountain. Ang daming koi, guys, oh. Very Chinese, tong Fullerton. Na-notice ko lang. Ay, pinapakain nila. Pinapakain ni Kuya. Yung mga koi, guys. Ang cute. Oh my gosh. Ayan. Koi fish. Exceptionally popular in East Asia. Signature feature of the Fullerton Hotel. 88 fishes pala sila. In Chinese culture, 88 is a special number that signifies prosperity. These are the koi fish of 5 different colors, which represent the 5 feng shui elements: metal, fire, earth, water, and wood, to maintain harmony and balance within the hotel premises. They also emanate a sense of calm with their graceful strokes, creating a serene ambiance for guests to enjoy. For the koi fish to remain healthy and happy, please refrain from feeding or touching them. Ito. Yan na to, the Merlion Park. Straight ahead. Dito na kami guys, umuulan. Ay, medyo malakas na ambon. Hindi naman super ulan, pero malakas na ambon. Pero at least hindi mainit. Dito kami lumabas sa Starbucks. Yung building na yan. Nice view of the Marina Bay Sands. Ganda ng view ng Marina Bay Sands. Saan yung Merlion? Ayun. One Fullerton. Ito na yung Merlion. Maganda yung location. Paglabas mo, ito na yung strip ng tinatambayan ng maraming tao. Pero ayan na ang Merlion, guys. Ganda ng weather kung hindi lang umaambon. But it's nice na nakalapit ulit kami sa Merlion nang hindi mainit. Last time we were here was in 2018, December 2018. Kasama yung family, like lahat ng kapatid ko and the kids. We were here. Naalala ko, super init, super uncomfortable. So ngayon, umuulan, mukhang lumalakas umuulan, pero at least hindi mainit, diba? Pero anyway, take lang kami ng photo and then papasok na kami kasi lakas ng ulan eh. Yan nyo guys, right behind, ayun yung malaki, yung nasa likod. Right behind is the small version. Saan kaya gawa yan? Anyway, sumilong muna kaming sa puno kasi lakas ng ambon. Dito sa Singapore, hindi mo maintindihan eh. Kung hindi umuulan, mainit. Walang in between. It's either super init or mababasa ka. Pili ka lang. Two minutes later, pumuhos ang ulan. Dito kami ngayon sa Starbucks to kill time kasi lakas pa rin ang ulan. Yun yung meron silang Barista Bear Collection na exclusive to Singapore. They have the Merlion Barista. Ito yung Merlion Barista nila. Cute! Ayan siya. Merlion na bear. And they have the smaller one, keychains, $49.90 pag dalawa. And they have the usual Singapore Discovery Series tumbler. Wala na sila nung mug, yun yung hinahanap namin. May tote bag din sila, ayan. Magkano tong tote bag? $20 yung tote bag. And then, they have a keychain, $20. Merlion. Ito yung mga classic Singapore mugs. Tumbler. Meron silang knitted na bear. $26.90. Ayan siya. I got a strawberry tea something. Tinry ko lang kasi bago eh. Bago sa paningin ko. So, hindi daw masarap, sabi ng FC. Buti may direct access kami pabalik ng hotel. Hindi kami nabasa. Mukhang walang balak tumila eh. So, balik na muna kami, sayang.
Much later.
Hello again. Time check, it's 4:30 p.m. It's many hours later. Hindi rin kami nakatulog masyado. Lalo na si Paul, hindi siya nakatulog. Nagligpit kami ng bagahe. Nagligpit pala siya ng bagahe.
Kami?
Nagligpit siya ng luggage namin. Since check-out na namin bukas. Hopefully, tila na. Hindi namin kita yung view kasi hindi city view yung room namin. So, we don't know kung umuulan pa. Pero sabi sa weather app, cloudy na siya. So, hindi na siya dapat umuulan. Sana tama. Anyway, ikot lang ulit kami. And try to spend the last couple of hours here in Singapore exploring the area. Yan, weather is so much nicer na. Tignan mo, tuyong-tuyo yung sahig. Parang hindi, tuyong-tuyo yung sahig, parang hindi bumuhos ang ulan kanina lang. Discover the diversity of marine life in the Marina Bay. Sarap na tumambay. Hindi mainit. Pero alam nyo, kahit hindi mainit, kahit walang araw, pinagpapawisan ka. Like, mainit. Like, kahit walang araw, mainit. Yun pala yun. No? Yung, ano ba yun? Parang, humid, oo.
Diba? Yung tatanong ko kung alin yung Fullerton ba o Fullerton?
Yung Fullerton Bay Hotel. Ito. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung Fullerton Bay Hotel. Nasa likod ng red na bubong na yan. So, mas malayo siya ng konti. Kasi yung Fullerton Hotel where we're staying is is ayan. Fullerton Bay is yung nasa likod ng red na bubong na yan. Meron silang river cruise dito. Magkano kaya dito?
Ang layo pala nung hotel ng nilakaran natin.
What do you mean?
Ayun yung hotel natin. Tapos dito tayo lumabas. Ang layo pala ng nilakad natin.
Dito pala dito yung magandang view for photo ops kasi walang tao masyado. Ewan ko lang kung nagiging crowded to. Hindi, kung like gusto mo lang ng shot ng Marina Bay Sands, 'di ba? Ayun ata yung Apple Store, yung dome na yan. Tapos ito naman yung Science Center. Ay, Art Science something. Basta.
Saan doon yung Louis Vuitton?
Oo, ayun. Ayun yung Louis Vuitton, yung katabi nung parang flower na yan. Fairness. Ayun, sabi mo, may sinasabi siya about Fullerton.
Ito ang ganda ng Fullerton Hotel. Parang kung babalik tayo dito. Cedar MBS or...
Wow.
Wow!
Daming pera. Pero actually, oo. Like, ang sayo magstay dito. Lalo na kung, turista mode. Pang turista mode talaga yung Fullerton.
Oo.
Although, medyo mahal. Pero not as mahal as Marina Bay. Binook namin to 700 plus. So, magkano yung 700 CAD? Mga 30. Pansya ko mga 38,000 pesos. Mga ganun. For 2 nights, may breakfast na yon, tapos may included na $100 dining credits. So, na-check namin kung saan namin ma-avail. Kasi sayang, bago kami umalis mamayang madaling araw, i-avail namin siya. Pero it's not bad. Like, kumpara sa Marina Bay Sands, syempre. Tapos yung amenities niya, very similar sa Marina Bay. Like, alam mo, hindi lang siya like yung diptyque amenities, hindi siya individual bottles. Malaki siya. Pero, it's a very nice hotel. Like, I would wanna stay there again. Lalo na kung tourist mode. Halimbawa, magdi-Disney adventure ulit kami. Not anytime soon, pero maybe in about 2 years, gano'n. Pag stable na sila, tapos yung hindi kami... pag yung siguradong hindi na kami masisipa sa ship, so babalik kami doon. Babalik kami sa Disney adventure. I would wanna do it again. Pero 1 week na, tapos maybe instead of Marina Bay Sands, dito na sa Fullerton. Kasi cheaper siya. Mas mura, tapos may breakfast, tapos malapit lang din naman. Hindi lang siya partner hotel eh. So kung magde-DCL Transpo kayo, hindi pwedeng mag-DCL Transpo unless sa airport ka magpapapick up. So, ang laki kasi ng advantage ng DCL Transpo kasi nga nababypass yung time, especially kung first-time cruisers. Kasi first-time cruisers gets to check in the last. So, syempre, the last to check in, yung pinaka-late na time ang makukuha mo. If you get DCL Transpo, you bypass that. Like, you can enter as early or as, well, not as late as you want, pero like, anytime pwede ka nang mag-enter ng ship as once it opens. So, kaya gusto namin lagi nagdi-DCL Transpo.
A few moments later.
Dito na kami sa Gardens by the Bay, guys. Punta kami sa Cloud Forest. Since we have time to kill, sabi ko punta na lang kami dito. So, anyway, nanap namin yung map. So, para alam namin kung saan kami pupunta. Okay, tickets purchased, 92 SGD. Dalawa na kami. We got the Flower Dome and Cloud Forest with Jurassic World experience. Thank you. Oh, sarap. Oh my God. Wow. Lagyan nila ng mga Jurassic dinosaurs. Nice. Ayan siya guys, so ganyan siya kalaki. Masarap ng... Ito yung masarap na tourist attraction dito sa Singapore. Best attraction for me. Kasi aircon at indoor. Nausok. May pa-dry ice effect pa sila, oh. Ay, sino yan? Hi! Hi! Gentle giant. Brachiosaurus. Itong mga mahabang leeg. Against the light eh. So, syempre, bilang tamad kami maglakad, nag-elevator kami hanggang sa taas. Tapos, pababa na lang kami maglalakad. View of the Marina Bay from the cloud forest. Galing ng utak nung gumawa nito.
Parang yung Amazon na nila.
Oo! Merong something similar na ganito sa Seattle. Basta Amazon something siya.
Forest. Sure.
Lalagay ko na lang sa baba. Pag naalala ko kung anong tawag doon. Pero nagpunta kami doon. Pero honestly, mas maganda to.
Oh.
Mas malaki to eh. Pero maganda din yun. Indoor, forest keme din. Ito yung view ng Marina Bay. Wala yung Disney cruise. Siyempre, nagsisale sila right now. Hindi canceled ang cruise nila. Sana all.
Ano naman tayo hindi naman?
Bitin kasi. Kulang yung 3 nights. Parang walang nagawa masyado. Pero babalik kami. Siguro in 2 years. Uubusin muna namin lahat ng ships sa US. Kasi honestly, mas prefer namin yun. Takot na takot ka, madapa ako.
Natatakot lang ako, tulak tayo from the back.
It's the waterfall view. Ito ating Crystal Mountain. Parang Team Lab, guys. Ayan. Nice. Guys, may nakita akong palaka. I swear.
Ang koka.
Saan yung palaka? Lumabas ka, pakita ka. Hindi yan palaka, turtle.
Balang kulay. Ayun, ito.
Ay, ito. Ay, nasa na? Ay, palaka.
Parating.
Ano yung palaka? Ito pa, may isa pang palaka, charot. Ay, yung palaka, ano yung palaka? Fishes.
Cockers. Rakokas.
Teka lang, tapakan natin to. Anong meron dito? So nag-boom yung flowers. Okay. It's a spitting dinosaur. Beware daw. Oh my God, oo nga. What about this one? Don't worry, it's just water. Ito ba? Are you also spitting? Ay, oo nga. Buti na lang wala. Wala namang manners tong dear dinosaur na to eh. Ano ba yan? Next is a secret garden. Iba pala tapos. Kala ko tapos na. May Cloud Forest Theater. Andiyan si Blue?
Parang
Takot ako dun ah. Si Echo?
o kapatid niya yung mga.
Ah, talaga? Bakit sila nakaganyan?
Kasi nga, wild sila.
Ah, wild sila.
Si Blue lang yung...
Si Echo. Si Blue lang yung mabait.
Blue yung alpha kasi. Tapos ang alpha ni Blue siya.
Sino?
Chris Pratt.
Oh, okay. So that's Echo, Delta, and then ito si Charlie. Nasaan yung Alpha, Beta, Delta, Charlie, Delta kasi yun eh.
Alpha si Chris, Beta si Blue.
Ah, ngayon ko lang nalaman yun. Alpha si Crazy, si Beta si Blue, si Charlie ito, si Delta ito, at ayun si Echo.
Si Echo.
Okay.
Asan si Janine?
Ano, Janine? Hindi ko na-gets.
Si Echo na si Janine.
Nyek! Yan si Blue.
But before Blue and I leave, right? Do you think Blue is very pretty? Yeah. Right? Don't you miss that?
Thank you for visiting Jurassic World The Experience.
Galing no? Lion door is made of a lychee tree. Stump and root. Galing.
With the lychee. Okay, we're done with the cloud forest. Next up, Flower Dome. Welcome to the Flower Dome. Talaga yung masarap tambayan kasi malamig. Tulip mania daw ngayon. I wonder kung ilan dito yung mga talagang mahilig sa flowers to see it. Compared sa mga taong nagpapalamig lang.
Parang tayo.
Oo. Ngayon, kunwari, we're fascinated with flowers. It's so nice. Oh, there's hyacinthus.
Eucalyptus.
Pero naghahanap ng upuan, di ba? Hindi tayo ganun. Hindi tayo si Ann. Hindi kami si Ann na naghahanap ng upuan every chance she gets.
A few moments later.
Halatang. Ayun, upuan. Upo muna tayo. Oh my God. I was wrong. Turns out I'm like Ann. Pagod na ako. Upo muna tayo. Upo muna tayo mga 15 minutes.
1 hour later.
No, it's Strelitzia reginae. Ayan yung pangalan niya. Naalala mo yung one time na may metal na nakatayo dyan. Tapos sabi ko,
Saan yun? Yung sa Amazon yun.
sa Amazon ba yun? Nasa Seattle
Amaze
kami.
tayo kasi sobrang dami.
Nasa flower garden din kami. Tapos, merong metal na
Parang sa
nakatanim.
flower.
Na parang bulaklak. Sabi ko, ano to? Anong flower to?
Walang label.
Pucha, ano pala yun? Parang sprinkler ata yun. Lipat ako sa cellphone. Kasi may lobat na yung DJI ko. Nakalimutan kong dalhin yung power bank. Ano may na-notice ko ang dito? Dahil sobrang aircon at malamig, kapag may mabaho, na-amplify din niya. Ano mo yun? Ayun yung tulips! Ayun natin yung tulips, guys. I'm pretty, but please do not touch me. Pag nakakita ko ng tulips, naalala ko si Mami. Si favorite niya yun. Look at all the tulips. It's like literally a bed of tulips. Dami. Wow. This is the tulipa. Strong gold daw yung yellow. Strong gold yung yellow. This one is walang label. This one is white tulips. This is a tulip na tiramisu. Wala pa yung strong love. Hindi pa bumubuka. Pero yung spring break, bukang-buka na. Ito naman is cadence. Sorry kung hindi ko alam pronunciation. Ito naman is Royal Virgin. Parang ako. Charot. Royal Virgins daw yung white. Ito wala pa. Ito cute. Oh my God, this is so cute. Ang ganda. Iba-ibang, parang multicolor siya. Ang ganda. Itong pink. Ganda. Ito naman red dress ang tawag. Kasi mas siya. Mas flirty yung dating niya. Yan. Ang ganda. Tulip. Parang hindi siya tulip. Pero kasama siya sa hilera eh. Oh my God, this is so nice. Pink. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda. I was just telling Paul na sobrang lamig dito. Hindi lang talaga siya basta hindi lang siya basta aircon. Alam mo yun? Kasi sobrang daming tao pero sobrang lamig. So like parang nasa mini refrigerator. Which is, I love. Pero, I was wondering like yung level ng anong gamit nilang aircon para mapalamig tong ganito kalaking dome ng ganun katindi. Anyway, we're done with the flower dome. Tinignan lang namin yung mga tulips. Super ganda. Pabalik na kami ng hotel. Drop lang ng gamit. And then, we're gonna have dinner with my friend Megan.
Much later.
Okay, it's many hours later and it's now 3:30 in the morning. Our flight is at 7 o'clock. We were supposed to leave ng 3 a.m. But then our friend Megan, who goes here a lot sa Singapore, sabi niya, masyado kayong maaga. 7 a.m. yung flight namin. Hindi daw to katulad ng Pilipinas na kailangan 4 hours nandun na. So, kaya medyo nagpapalit kami ng very, very light. Alis kami ng 4 a.m. para hindi naman super tagal yung antay namin sa airport. Especially since sarado din naman lahat kasi super aga pa. So, this vacation has been really great. It was a rocky start, as you know. Pero, nag-enjoy ako. I love visiting Asia. Mainit lang talaga dito sa Singapore. Yun lang yung uncomfy part. But we knew that. Pero, I can't wait to go back home. Nakakaloka kasi parang may forecast pa ata na mag-snow this week. So, hindi ko sure, pero sana wag naman. Kasi t-shirt lang yung dala namin. Hindi na kami nagdala ng naka-hoodie lang yung dala kong pinaka-jacket. Anyway, this vacation has been great. Nag-enjoy kami sa Disney Adventure. We are planning to book another one soon. Hopefully matuloy, especially since we have the 50% discount naman from DCL. So, pinag-iisipan namin kung saan namin siya gagamitin. We are planning to use it on a Disney Alaskan cruise kasi yun yung pricey. So, masusulit namin yung 50% off pag doon namin ginamit. Pero pinag-iisipan pa namin. We still have a couple of more cruises lined up this year. So, make sure to subscribe para ma-notify kayo. Kasi ako, personally, lahat ng Disney Cruise vloggers sinubscribean ko talaga. Nakaka-good vibe siya for me. So, hopefully, that's how my content comes across to most people. Kasi yun naman yung goal ko. Unang-una is, of course, to make memories and document everything. Kasi it's nice to watch videos kahit yung first cruise namin, pinapanood pa rin namin every once in a while. Nakaka-happy yung bumalik sa moment na yun. Kaya na-encourage yun ako mag-vlog kasi ang sarap panoorin ng mga naging past travels namin. So, kung mahilig din kayo mag-travel like us, I highly encourage you to start vlogging kahit for yourself lang, kahit i-private nyo lang yung video para lang sa inyo. Kasi mas okay siya kaysa sa pictures. Like, kasi dati mahilig akong mag-snap ng super daming pictures, tapos kikreate ako ng album, ganun. Tapos natatamba ka lang, nasa Facebook lang silang lahat, pero as compared to now na binivideo ko lahat ng travels namin, nare-relieve namin yung moment pagka pinapanood namin ulit. So, I highly encourage you to do so kung mahilig din kayo mag-travel kasi ang saya ng feeling. Tsaka parang feeling ko na ROI ko yung ginastos namin kasi every time na pinapanood ko siya, na happy ako. So, parang feeling ko nababawi yung ginastos namin kahit papano. Kasi if it makes me happy, it's worth it. So, anyway, inintay ko lang si Paul matapos mag-prep. And then we're gonna head na to the airport. Dito ko natatapusin tong vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I know this has been a very long series. Ito na ata yung longest series ever ko, itong Singapore series. So, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, I would love it if you would subscribe. Especially kung mahilig kayo sa Disney Cruise nga. Or just travel in general kasi hindi lang naman cruise yung ginagawa namin. We have a couple of trips na hindi cruise related as well this year. So, abangan nyo yun. We're gonna go to a couple of concerts as well. I think nabanggit ko na rin before. We're gonna do a BTS concert in August. We're gonna go to Toronto. Abangan nyo lahat yun. So, kung interested kayo in cruise content, concerts, or travel in general, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell para ma-notify kayo for any new content that we post. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next vlog. We're now at the airport. Super efficient. Anong oras tayo dumating? 4:30-ish. It's 4:55 at papunta namin boarding gate. Nakalagpas kami ng immigration. Ang saya. Super bilis, super efficient. I love Shanghai Airport. Best airport talaga for me.
I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh.